loves, welcome back to my channel, and thank you all so very much for returning for another dump and go crock pot meal. So today I'm making what I like to call chicken fiesta. It's sort of like a soup. It's very simple. It's just a very simple recipe with a few ingredients, as you all can see. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The ingredients that you're going to need include chicken broth, chicken breast, corn, black beans, cooked bacon, tomatoes with green chilies, cream cheese, ranch powder dressing, salt, and then I'm going to use black pepper, onion powder, and also garlic powder. And once it's all done cooking, then you're going to go ahead and top it with some cheddar cheese. So we're going to go ahead and mix all of the ingredients into our crock pot. Now just go ahead and mix all of that together. Finally, add your cream cheese. Cover and cook on high for 4 to 6 hours, or cook on low for 6 to 8 hours. I went ahead and put this over some brown rice and topped it with some cheddar cheese. My family really enjoyed this one right here, but I want to thank you all for watching. If you're thinking about trying this recipe, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more easy crockpot meals, then hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. But I'll talk to you all in my next video.